Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash with you all. Wait, one of the interesting topic is we are in the series of tenses. In last tutorial you have learned about simple present tense, and today you are going to know now about the son of simple present tense, and that is present continuous tense. Dear all, you must not forget when there is present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. These all tenses which are having word present, they must have relationship with the present. Now, present continuous tense, the second name of this tense is present progressive tense. इसको हम progressive tense भी कहते हैं. What is this used for? This tense is used for to describe those actions which are happening in time of speaking or which are happening at the moment of speech. Besides that, it also shows those actions which are happening but not at the, which are happening currently but not at the time of speaking. And we are also using the simple present continuous tense for the purpose of future when we talk about near and plain future. And we use a verb of frequency in the present continuous tense to emphasize or on an action. Step by step हम इसके बारे में अब सीखते हैं कि simple present tense कैसे और कब use होता है. Don't forget that in simple present tense we are having time expression at the moment, now, or we can also say right now, or you can say this month. Now dear, let's go for the one by one, step by step explanation of it. Firstly, we said that it is used for those actions which are happening right now, जो अभी हो रहे हैं. So present continuous tense is used for an action which is happening right now. For example, I am delivering lecture now. You are watching my boring lecture now. I hope it's not boring. And you are listening to the music right now. She is playing cricket at the moment. She is cooking at the kitchen. He, she, it. Third person, singular subject will have is. I will go with am. I am teaching right now. We, you, they. They will go with are. इसके साथ are होगा. Auxiliary verb या helping verb. Subject plus is mr plus verb ing plus object or complement. This is the structure for it. So, moving towards the second usage of it. That is used for present continuous tense is used for an action which is happening currently, जो अभी तो हो रहा है, but not at the time of speaking. इस वक्त नहीं हो रहा. For example, I'm living in London. See, I'm living from so long, but still I'm living in London. For example, I'm studying at the university. It means I have taken admission at universities in the past, but still I'm studying. Now, for example, my friend is asking me, what are you doing these days? And I'm saying, I am studying at university. Or my friend is asking me, what are you doing in the morning? And I'm saying that I am going to university. Now, it doesn't mean right now I'm going to university, but currently this thing is happening to me and this is affecting my schedule. Besides that, we are using it for the plain future. For example, when we talk about plain future, now, after delivering lecture, I am watching movie, or you're saying I am watching movie after the class. She is watching movie later on. They are going to London at night. We are planning the game show. Now see, we are going to do all these things in the future, but we are using present continuous tense. Don't forget, when you are using present continuous tense for the purpose of future, I mean when you are describing future, उस वक्त आपने जो है time expression को change करना होगा. उसमें फिर आपने future time expression डालना होगा. For example, I am watching TV later. I am playing games at night. I am meeting my friends tomorrow. They are the future time expression because you talk about future. क्योंकि आप फिर future के बारे में बात करते हैं. One unique information I want to give it to you people about present continuous tense. We are using adverb of frequency, indefinite adverb of frequency, like always, usually, sometimes, after the helping verb, ismar, in the present continuous tense to emphasize on an action. For example, I am always delivering lecture. It means this action of delivering lecture is happening always. She is always irritating me. He is usually complaining in the office. They are what? Usually, sometimes, always. These are adverb of frequency that we are using it in the present continuous tense only to emphasize the action. The negative structure is I am not playing, she is not playing, they are not playing, we are not playing any game. Besides that, the interrogative is, am I teaching you right now? Yes, you are. Are you listening me? Yes, we are. In, is it happening now? No, it is not. Is she cooking now? No, she is not. Is he playing cricket at the moment? No, he is not. They are the interrogative structure, interrogative statements. So in interrogative statement, helping verb will come after that subject, then verb ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Thank you so much. It was all about present continuous tense. You're most welcome to ask me if there is any question. Thank you for now.